Sounds real.
In the hoi. We're going to the fucking...
I hear sound of strong Russian there. More Russian than saying Rush B, suka bled. And currently tripping balls.
Is gone.
I can't say shit, I'm going back inside.
Yalla.
Yalla.
Wait, who's in front?
Yes. The fabled bro job.
And then if he said no, I would have decked him, but... Fuck.
Go, get in.
Fuck.
Are we going south? No, north. We have to go north.
Really close. Drive.
Yo, is that Stacy's mom?
Hey, yo, move right.
What's got it going on?
What? Fucking Honda!
What's going on?
Ow.
Fuck this with a passion.
The bomb is down!
It's still coming! Somehow I live. I am bleeding out of every orifice. Including about 50 I didn't have before. I require medical assistance. Oh. Wait, let me get on the...
We're coming to save you.
Guess I'll bleed out. Well, this is how it ends. I'm gonna die at least. Let me make sure it doesn't hurt.
Ракета справа выше.
Fuck. That explosion was them. The others I do not know. Understand, I am going to lose consciousness in a matter of seconds if I do not receive medical attention.
Alright, I'll try and treat you the best I can. I can't do much, I'm not a medic.
Also, all I have is this pistol.
Holy shit!
Take off!
It's spooling!
Spool faster than I escaped to become Final Girl. I became Final Girl, everyone! Thank you all for showing trigger discipline to rival. I'm just going to stop talking, I can't talk tonight.